Hello and welcome. My name is Dennis, and in this video we take a look at how to add a freeze frame in Wondershare Filmora 13. Let's take a look. So I'll head straight to Wondershare Filmora and I'll import a clip. So I'll probably use this. I don't want to create a proxy file. And I will add this into the timeline. Just match the FPS, and this is a short clip of a drone hovering over a mountain. This is a drone shot of a mountain. So the first step is to identify where do you want to add the freeze frame. So I'll probably just add the freeze frame somewhere around there. So the first method is right click on the clip, head on over to the speed section and add freeze frame. When we click on that, the gray section on the timeline, it shows that this is your freeze frame. So when you play this back, you play it back, that's a freeze frame. You can lengthen or shorten your freeze frame. So I'll probably just shorten it, head back, play this. And yeah, that is the first way, or rather, that is the first method to add a freeze frame. Now I will undo this. And we can look at another method of adding a freeze frame. So we probably added a freeze frame around there. Method 2 is taking a screenshot of your player and inserting it into the video. So how do we go about this? On the player section around here, you click on the camera. This takes a snapshot. You can choose where you want to save it. I'll save it there. And it is added directly onto your media bin. So on your media bin, you just right click and click insert. It adds the snapshot automatically. So when we play this back, there is a freeze frame and your video continues. The same way with the previous one, we can lengthen or shorten this and it snaps right back. So we can just play it back just like that. So there you have it. That is how we add a freeze frame in Wondershare Filmora 13. For more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.